After spending decades in the field of civil service preparation, I have no doubt in acknowledging the fact that it is PT examination which is the most confusing. As they always say, it's like inch deep and miles wide, and UPSC at its generous best. For every question, they give 4 options. But then let's not forget, they don't ask one question in one question. Usually 2 or 3 questions are asked in one question. And this is a very vague area, uncharted, especially for those people who have not been able to decode it and have had many bad results in succession, or somebody who is first time diving into this examination looks very vague. KSG has a research team which has been working for a long time, and we have always been innovative to identify ways to make a job easier. We have come out with PT Destinaire. Here what we are actually doing is that, unlike a normal test series which tests and lets you know as to where you stand, we let you identify not only where you stand but also how you can reach your destination. That means you always felt that there should be somebody who can possibly identify your areas of weaknesses and give tools to correct it, not overload with so much of information that you are as confused as you were in the beginning. This is one program that we are launching especially for those students who are giving it for the first time and those who have had successive failures in PT level itself. This would ensure that every day we just take a few hours of yours to give you those facts which are required for PT examination, and also identify if you are prepared in those domains or not. If you're prepared in those domains, all the best. If not, then probably give you 1 page on those related themes. And these are the themes which are product of research. Because we find there's a trend in which UPSC has been asking questions, and they are like from those domains we have picked up those classes. It's not a full classes that we have got where you give you everything that you require to study, but only those things which are tailor-made for your own requirement. That means it's like a GPS that you have got which travels with you through this entire journey till you reach the destination of clearing this PT examination and writing main. I'm not asking too many hours from you. I'm just asking for just a few hours every day in which we will give you a live class and at the same time give you a test, and then through the test we will be able to diagnose your areas of weakness, and those areas of weaknesses which has been identified, we would be providing you a support of 1 page material on that domain itself. So every day you're being diagnosed, every day you're being corrected, and there is no chance of detour that is happening in your journey towards the clearance of PT examination. This is a very unique product where you have got a mentor who is like a GPS cursor, travels with you to identify if you are right there on the track or not, ensuring that you reach your destination in time. PT Destinaire is a product where we would ensure that every single day that you spend in the direction of preparing civil service examination is on the track. If you have any areas of weaknesses, if you have, so to say, some cavities, we would fill those cavities. This is not a program where we are going into thorough teaching and long classes, etc. We are just identifying your weak areas and making you aware about the areas where we are getting maximum questions from. On a general basis, even if the trend changes, they are repeatedly coming. For those areas, we'll be providing you information. PT Destinaire is a product where you would get what you need. It's not that you would be given anything and everything just in case you may need them. It is just in time intervention that we have got. My best wishes and welcome to PT Destinaire.